Hey everyone, want to change your Google Analytics settings? In this video, I'll show you how to update and customize your Google Analytics configuration step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the account or property where you want to make changes. Now open the Admin Asterisk section from the bottom left corner of your Google Analytics dashboard. From here, you can update different settings, including account details, property information, data streams, events, conversions, and user permissions. To change property settings, open your property details and update information like the property name, reporting time zone, or currency if needed. Next, review your data collection settings and make sure your website or app tracking options are configured correctly. You can also adjust event settings, create custom events, and manage conversions based on your tracking goals. If you work with a team, update user access settings to control who can view or edit your analytics data. After making changes, save your settings and check your reports to confirm everything is working correctly. Finally, regularly review your Google Analytics settings to keep your tracking accurate and aligned with your website goals. And that's how to change Google Analytics settings. By customizing your configuration, you can collect better data and get more useful insights from your website performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.